Spotify Music is one of the largest platforms that allows you to search for and listen to various types of music. Now, consider what it would be like if you could get paid and earn money online simply by listening to music. I mean, isn't that amazing? It doesn't matter if you're from anywhere in the world. You may start earning money right now by simply listening to Spotify Music, and you can cash out your earnings quickly. You can earn $260, or even a large payment of over $900, and guess what? You can do this as many times as you like. You don't need any followers. You don't even need to refer anyone to this platform, and you don't need any money to get started because this is completely free. All you need is a phone or a computer, and I will show you a few bonus tips in these videos that will help you double your money. So make sure you stick around and watch these videos all the way through. But before we start, welcome to Side Hustle from Home, where we teach you how to make money online, the simplest way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's begin. I'm going to show you how to listen to Spotify Music from the Spotify platform and get paid for it this video. I'll walk you through how to set up your Spotify account, which is completely free and you can do it on your phone, computer, or maybe both. I'll lead you through this secret website that no one else knows about. After you've set up your Spotify account, you can get paid to listen to music. I've never seen anyone in the history of YouTube talk about this before, so make sure to pay attention and learn everything right now. I just want to show you the earning potential on these websites by simply listening to music. You can get up to £800 real quick. We will then convert that into US dollars. So you can easily get over $1,000 easily by simply listening to music. Once again, this is a brand new website and I'll show you everything. You can start by going to Spotify.com. If you have an Android phone, you can now search for Spotify on the Google Play Store. Make sure to download the correct app. Note that this has over 20 million reviews. Many people are currently adoring this app and using it every day to listen to music. However, a lot of people are not aware of this secret website where they can earn money simply by listening to Spotify Music. If you have an iPhone or an Android, you can just go to the App Store and download Spotify. But if this is your first time using Spotify, you must first create a free account, which is simple to do and is entirely free. You can simply click on this link and then click on the Sign Up for Free button to get to this page. You can either sign up using a Facebook account or you can sign up using your email address, and to confirm that email, put in a password and then give your profile username, which can be whatever you want. Put in your date of birth and your gender as well. Then click on this I'm not a robot and sign up for your free account. You may now go into your Spotify account and see your profile right here. Once you've completed the registration process, the first thing you notice is that there's so much music available on Spotify. It is divided into so many different categories. Check on the genres you should focus on that's gonna pay you the most money. So for example, if you want to listen to this music, you can just click on this image and you will right away be able to listen to it. Or you can click on this play button, right here, to start listening to the music. But one thing I'll show you is that you can actually create a playlist. You want to click on this, which says create a playlist. When you click on it, you'll be able to create a brand new playlist that will generate a lot of passive earnings every day. Now, I'll teach you how to do that in just a moment. But first I want to show you the hidden website where you can sign up to become a music curator and be paid for merely listening to music. Keep watching, and I'll reveal the name of this website in just a moment. You can become a music curator by first listening to Spotify Music and then creating a playlist from it. Now that you've arranged all of your music into a playlist, you can submit them to this website. You can notice here, earn regular money through submission, which means that you will earn for every song playlist you submit on this website. The more playlists you submit, and the more submissions you make, the more money you'll earn on their website. So now, you can see how many submissions you need to start earning money. If you do less than 200 submissions, you will not be paid. You can get a lot more information right here on their website. After completing at least 200 submissions, you will be able to start earning money on this platform, as you can see here. The highest earning is 2,500 submissions, and you can earn £800 just like that on this website, which converts to over 1,000 US dollars. And you can just repeat this process over and over again. This is a brand new website that is super exciting and super beginner friendly that anyone can do by simply listening to music. All you have to do is go to musicgateway.com. One thing to keep in mind is that this could be a somewhat difficult sign-up process. I'll teach you how to fill out all the forms you'll need to start making money, so stick around and watch up to the end of the video to avoid missing out on these important details. You can go down below and look for any button that says Join for free. Simply click on this button and you'll be taken to these pages. This page says Curator, Influencer, and Playlist Submission Application. When you scroll down below, you'll see the question, are you a Spotify curator? As you can see, we're going to concentrate on Spotify in this video and show you how to listen to different types of music, arrange them into playlists and how to submit them. All you have to do is listen to Spotify music and arrange it into different playlists, then submit them and get paid. Let's get started. So go ahead and fill up the form below, and you will be contacted soon by them. Just scroll down to see the whole form. So the first thing you can do is enter your email address in the first box and then the curator name, which is your complete name, in the second box. And then we'll focus on Spotify from there. You can simply go ahead and click on Spotify right now because it will be the quickest way to get started. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a link to a playlist channel, station or blog in a moment. I'll teach you how to do it on Spotify and how to grab your playlist link, and paste it right here on this box to apply for an account. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you're loving this video. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Pause equals 1. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. In this particular question, how many entries do you receive each week? Remember that? In order to start getting paid, you must have at least 200 submissions. It will depend on how much time you have, how hard you work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you want to submit, but make sure it's at least 200 playlists to get paid. If you want to make it a full-time income, I recommend doing 1,000 submissions. You can decide what genre to accept, such as pop, dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and so on. The more categories you have, the more money you can make on this website, and I'll show you how to find different kinds of genres of music on Spotify in just a moment. You can decide what genre to accept, such as pop, dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and so on. The more categories you have, the more money you can make on this website, and I'll show you how to find different kinds of genres of music on Spotify in just a moment. Next, follow Music Gateway on Instagram. And finally, for the question, do you want to become a Music Gateway member or a continuous guest? Choose continuous guests and simply enter your first and last names as well as your country. You can choose from any country because they accept people all around the world. Simply enter your username and password, then click the submit button. So that's all you have to do to create a free account and submit your application. Once you've been approved by this website, you can begin listening to music and create your own playlist for submission to begin earning money. Now, we'll go on to a very important step, and I'd like you to return to the Spotify app on your phone or computer, where we'll discover different kinds of music and combine them into different playlists to submit in order to get paid. I'd like you to look at their various categories that are relevant to Music Gateway, such as hip-hop music. So go back to Spotify and select the search button, and I want you to search for hip-hop music. When we click the search button, it will display music that is connected to the hip-hop category. If you click on See All, you'll be able to find all of the hip-hop music, and there will be hundreds of thousands of different kinds of music to choose from. What I want you to do is make a whole new playlist. I'd like you to click on the Create Playlist button. Go ahead and create a name for your playlist. Simply click on the Create button to get started. Take a look at these. You've successfully created a new Spotify playlist. So for the time being, you might add various music from these genres to your playlist. One of the coolest Spotify features is that if you scroll down below, it will automatically recommend different songs based on the hip-hop genre. So right now, I'd like to hit the add button for all of the music listed under recommendations. I'd like you to put them all in your genre playlist. Take a look at these. I just do everything like this, and over 10 songs are added on my playlist right now. Simply click on the library and then on the hip-hop genre under the playlist area. Simply click on this right here. Now that I just created a playlist of over 20 songs, I am ready to submit it to Music Gateway. This playlist is already one submission. It's that easy. You'll need more than 200 to start getting paid, and you'll have to spend a considerable amount of time listening to different music and creating a playlist to submit them. So the next thing I'd like to show you is how to pull a link from your playlist. So when I click on the three dots icon right here, you can see that you can easily copy the playlist link by clicking on it. When you click on this, the link to your playlist will be copied. That's all you have to do, and you can just repeat the process by searching for different genres and creating different playlists. With each submission of the playlists, it allows you to earn money on this website. This is how you can simply listen to music and get paid. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.